Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 Review. Redefining home entertainment with clarity and smart features. Xiaomi Smart Projector L1. The Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 combines a fully sealed optical engine, 1080p resolution, 200 ISO lumens brightness, and a 120-inch ultra-wide screen to deliver crystal-clear visuals. With AI-powered keystone correction, autofocus, obstacle avoidance, Google TV, Dolby Audio, and a compact design, it offers a premium home cinema experience in a portable package. Introduction. Home entertainment has transformed dramatically, with smart projectors like the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 leading the change. This portable yet powerful projector is designed to bring cinema-quality visuals and smart entertainment features into your living room, combining brilliant image clarity, intelligent AI adjustments, and seamless streaming capabilities. The Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 is not just a gadget, it's an experience. Product information: model XMTY 03FMG, resolution 1080p Full HD, supports 4K playback. Brightness 200 ISO lumens, SGS certified. Projection size 40-120 inches. Throw ratio 1.2.1. Processor MT9630 high performance chip. Storage 2 GB RAM plus 16 GB ROM. Audio dual full range speakers with Dolby Audio certification. Smart OS Google TV TM plus Google Assistant integration. Design compact, portable, minimalist aesthetic. Why people prefer the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1. Consumers love this projector for its balance between performance, portability, and affordability. Unlike bulky traditional projectors, it is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around. Yet, it delivers professional-grade visuals and sound comparable to much larger home cinema systems. Key features: 1. Fully sealed optical engine. Prevents dust buildup, ensuring durability and consistent picture quality. 2. 200 ISO lumens, certified brightness. Bright and vivid projection with accurate color reproduction, suitable for dim and moderately lit rooms. 3. 1080p Full HD resolution with 4K support. Sharp, detailed images for a premium viewing experience. 4. 120-inch ultra-wide display. Enjoy immersive movie nights with an expansive projection size. 5. AI-powered keystone correction. Automatically adjusts images to remain perfectly rectangular from any angle. 6. Autofocusing and obstacle avoidance. Keeps images sharp and avoids interruptions from objects on walls. 7. Google TV and Google Assistant integration. Stream from 400,000 plus movies, star shows, and control the projector with your voice. 8. Seamless casting. Easily stream content from your smartphone or tablet. 9. Dolby Audio dual speakers, immersive sound with cinematic quality. 10. Bluetooth remote control from any angle with responsive and ergonomic design. Additional features: compact, stylish design complements modern home decor. Large storage for apps and streaming services. Smart screen alignment for quick setup. Warranty and service: Xiaomi typically offers a 12-month warranty covering manufacturing defects. Service centers are widely available, and the device receives regular firmware updates for enhanced performance. Other users' opinions. Most users highlight its easy setup, portability, and smart AI adjustments. Positive reviews also mention excellent sound quality and smooth Google TV integration. Some note that brightness is best in dimly lit environments.